Hey everyone, this is lecture number 10, chapter 2, factors and multiples, part 3. In this video, we will understand the concept of LCM. So, what is LCM? So, in LCM, the L stands for lowest, C stands for common, and the M stands for multiple. So the lowest common multiple is LCM. So what is a multiple? Multiples are the answers of a table. Multiples are the answers of a table. I have made a detailed video on what is a multiple and the link is given in the description below. So in LCM we have to find the least common multiple. Now we move on to the questions. Now our first question is find LCM of 6 and 8. Least common multiple of 6 and 8. Here first we need to write a note. In case of LCM, it is not important to choose such a number which can divide all the given numbers in one row. Even if one number is divisible, we will divide. So in case of LCM, it is not important to choose such a number which can divide all the given numbers in one row. Even if one number is divisible, we will divide. So our numbers are 6 and 8. We have to find the LCM of 6 and 8. So we will start with the least prime number, which is 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Now we will move on to the next prime number, which we will move on to the next step. The prime number will be 2. 3 is not divisible by 2, so we will write 3 again. But 4 is divisible by 2. We will write 2 2s are 4. Again we will divide it by 2 as 2 is divisible. Even if one number is divisible, we will divide. The 3 will move down as it is not divisible by 2, but 2 is divisible by 2. The answer will be 1. Now we will check 3. As 3 is not divisible by 2, we will check with the next prime number, which is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. The answer will be 1, 1. So the LCM of 6 and 8 is LCM equals 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 multiplied by 3, 24. So the LCM is 24. Or you can write it as LCM equals 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and the answer will be 24. Now our next question is find LCM of 16, 24 and 40. So we will find their LCM. Numbers are 16, 24 and 40. 16 is divisible by 2. We will move on. We will divide it by 2. It is not necessary to check whether all these numbers are divisible by 2 in case of LCM. So 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24, 2 20s are 40, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 10s are 20, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 5s are 10. Now this 2 is only divisible by 2, so we will write 1 over here. 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. But 3 is not divisible, so we will copy 3 down. 5 is not divisible, so we will write 5 down. Now we will divide it by 3, as 3 is not divisible by 2, so 1 comma 1. But 5 is not divisible by 3, so we will copy 5 down like this. Now we will divide this 5 by 5. Now everything will become 1 comma 1 1. So our LCM is, the LCM of 10, 16, 24 and 40 is, LCM equals 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So 2 is 4 times, and then 3 and a 5. 2 multiplied by 2 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, 16 multiplied by 3 is 6 3s are 18, 1 3 1s 3 and 4, 48, 48 multiplied by 5. We will multiply 48 with 5. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 5 4s are 20 and 24. So the LCM is 240. In paper 1, calculator is not allowed, that's why I did rough work. Hope you understood the concept of LCM well. Now our next question is, find LCM of 6, 8 and 12. I am sure you will be able to solve it. Pause the video and give it a try. So 6, 8 and 12, we have to find its LCM. Two 3s are is 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 6s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 4 will be copied down, 6 will be copied down. So 2 again, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now the question is, find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Pause the video and give it a try. 6, 8, 12. We have to find its LCM. 6, 8, 12. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 6s are 12. Again by 2. As 3 is not divisible, so I have copied 3 down as it is. 4 is divisible by 2, so 2 2s are 4. 6 is divisible by 2, so 2 3s are 6. Again 2. 3 is not divisible, I am copying 3 down. 2 is divisible 1, and 3 is not divisible. Now 3, 1 comma 1 comma 1. Our LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 4, 4 multiplied by 2 8, 8 multiplied by 2 8 multiplied by 3 24. So our LCM is 24. There is another method with which we can solve the same question. I explain that method. In this method we will write the first 5 or 6 multiples of all these numbers. For example, we will write the first 5 multiples of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, and 6 5s are 30. And now we will write the next 5 multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Now we will write the next 5 multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. we will find a common multiple. The common multiple over here is 24. No number behind it is common, so LCM will be 24. So the lowest common multiple of these three numbers will be 24. I hope you understood the concept of LCM well. If you have understood this concept, then kindly like my video, and if you are new to this channel, then kindly subscribe. Thank you.